be referencing this view quite a lot in this house, so you might as well look at it now. You have a view of this vista of the cityscape as well as Mount Makiling and Laguna de Bay. So when I say that you have a view, this is the view that I'm talking about. Today we've got a brand new house not for sale here in this beautiful subdivision, which have beautiful rolling hills and vistas, and we'll get to see that and appreciate it later when we go up the higher floors. But for now, let's talk about this level. So you have a 2-vehicle carport. It's very open. You have your driveway over here from the road, and the curbside appeal is appealing. You have 2 sets of stairs, one on your left, one on your right. This one leads to your dining area and your kitchen, while the other one on the left leads to your main entrance. So that's where we'll go up first. Then you'll see a little door over here, and that is your storage, at least one of the storage. So your stairs leading up to the main entrance has a dramatic flair to it. Just look at this while going up. So actually, morning sun to. Faces the morning sun. So in the morning, it's beautiful and soft. And then as the sun sets, you have this dramatic landscape to work with. And it's so nice. So as you come up here, you'll find that you have your main entrance here on the right. And then you have this gate leading to the dipping pool or the swimming pool. And just look at that. Ang ganda niya tignan because there's like this contrast and this play of light, which we'll see throughout the house. So dito pa lang, you can see that you have a sneak peek of the view, of the city view over there. Pero mamaya natin talaga ma-appreciate yan. You do have a foyer over here for people to maybe hang out a little bit. But of course, the main area you'd want to be in is inside. So you have a solid wooden door over here with a solid wooden handle and a digital door lock. And then you have a glass panel on the right side. And when you enter, you have this sort of open space, pero hindi siya one gigantic open space lang. It kind of has a shape. So we'll talk about this one first. So this is your living area. As you can see, the sunset is casting this beautiful shadow against the floor and the walls. So pag nandiyan na yung furniture mo, ang ganda niyan. You can see people going up the stairs also. And it's just this open feeling kasi nakikita mo yung labas. At the same time, nakikita mo yung the rest of the floor. But before we check that out, right next to your main entrance, you have bedroom number 1. And yes, you do have high ceiling, you have cove lighting, you have pin lights, and may bangka for a chandelier of some sort. You have a window over here that lets you see the gate that leads to the staircase on the right side of the property that you saw from the facade. This is where your headboard goes. Pwede naman doon, pero pwede dito. And then on this side, you have your built-in wardrobe. And then next to that, you have an ensuite, toilet and bath, with your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. And you also have a nice little awning window up here. Tapos meron ding exhaust fan. Para yun. And then next to that, you have your main stairs. The main stairs, may konting space sa ilalim. So it's up to you if you want to put some decorative items in there. Actually, magpasko or some seasonal decorations, ang cute niyan. Or use it as storage. You can find creative ways to use it as storage. And then beyond that, you have your dining, your kitchen, and your guest accessible powder room. So you have a long counter over here, so lots of surface to work on. You have your sink and your smart toilet, or automated toilet. Okay, so your dining area opens up from both sides. So sliding glass doors on your right, which leads to the side gate. And then the one on your left leads out onto the swimming pool. We'll check that out in a bit. Of course, right next to your dining area, you have a kitchen with an island counter, nice lighting setup also with pin lights. Oh, sorry, hindi ko lang napansin. Yung ceiling design, hindi ko lang kung mapapansin nyo kasi lahat white eh. Pero naka-curve siya. So that's a nice touch. So yung dining area, slightly lower. Hindi lang masyado halata kasi nga lahat white. But it's slightly lower, tas yung edge niya naka-curve. So dito sa kitchen, slightly higher. And then you have lots and lots of storage. On this side, you have provision for your refrigerator. You have your built-in appliances like your oven and your microwave. And then on this side, you have an L-shaped counter with your built-in sink and induction stove. You have a beautiful backsplash over here so that it's easy to clean. Oh, and you have a faucet right next or right above your induction stove. Parang pag nagluluto kayo ng mga pots, like tsura ni John. Yan yung pag nagluluto kayo ng pots, like sabaw, ganun, tapos kailangan ng tubig, hindi mo na siya ililipat from the sink, diretso na. Pour mo na lang siya dyan. Galing na. I love that houses these days come with that already. Okay, you have lots of storage underneath, and then you have a fixed window, although awning naman yung taas, that has a view of your dipping pool. Next to the L-shaped counter, you have a double action swing door with a frosted glass pane, and this one is your daily kitchen. So you have a bit of counter space, you have your sink, your stove, again, lots of storage, and then provision for another ref perhaps, or pwede namang washing machine, it's up to you. And this one leads out into the back. So over here, we have a discreet little door. And this is actually a metal door. And this is, it could be storage. It could also be a room. It has high ceiling, although wala siyang ensuite. But if you did need it to be an extra room, they could use this. This is also easily accessible from the swimming pool. So you have a full shower, toilet, and sink setup over here. All right, so to get to the pool, you can go through here. You can go from the main stairs that we came in from, or you can go from the dining area via the sliding glass doors. So this is your backyard. And di ba usually pagka nagpo-pool, magbabasa mo na kayo, mag-shower mo na kayo, there is actually a covered shower over here. Very resort vibes. Diba? And then after you take a dip in a pool, you rinse yourself off ulit before going inside the house. So very well thought out. And so you have the stairs here. And this is such a relaxing little dipping pool. Huh? Okay, so let's go back in from the dining area and head up the second floor. But before that, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here in Laguna, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. So technically, this is the second floor kasi yung pinaka-ground floor is carport lang, and then yung bahay mismo, yung house proper, starts on the second level. So we'll take that as the first floor, and this is the second floor. Okay, so right next to the main stairs, you have your primary bedroom. And of course, since you have that view, you make use of it, diba? So this is where your headboard will go. You can fit a king-sized bed in here if you wanted to. It's dito yung entertainment mo, your TV, etc. Then you have this corner that just frames said view and your neighborhood, because it is a very rolling neighborhood. So this balcony kind of wraps around this corner, so you can really take advantage of that. So tumambay dito because you have a nice breeze, you can hear the birds, the dogs, and it's generally a really nice area with good weather. And then on this side, you have your built-in desk, as well as your built-in wardrobe over here. So if you were to place maybe a small console table over here, or shoe storage, that would also be nice, or bag storage, accessories, etc. Meron ka ng complete corner for your wardrobe. And then over here, you have another set of closet space. So, all closed storage space except itong nasa taas, net siya, steel net. So, makakahinga yung mga gamit nyo, hindi siya kulog. And then this will lead to your ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your automated toilet, and your enclosed shower space, complete with ledges for you to put your products in. You also have a huge... Ay, wait lang. Naloko ako dun. May reflection kasi. You also have a huge awning window over here. Akala ko nung una tumutuloy siya dun sa shower area. Dito lang pala siya. And then you also have storage underneath the sink. And something I wanted to show you since kanina pa. So over here, by the second floor landing, you have an area that you can use as a sort of study area, office, and what have you. May mga outlets na rin. So it's up to you what you want to use it as. And yes, again, as I mentioned, ang ganda ng play of light and shadow because of that sunset. But what I wanted to show you are these screens. So you might have noticed them throughout the house. They are steel screens and ang ganda ng hardware na ginamit nila. So these are like kind of like trigger types. So ang dali niyang i-operate. Wala lang, tuwa lang. Okay, and then over here, oh, they decided to change some of the planks here, kaya ganyan. So, don't worry about it. By the time that you visit here, it'll look seamless. Okay, so you have this hallway over here, and this is the first door. And this is bedroom number 3. It's a very straightforward room. It's a rectangular room with high ceiling, down lights or pin lights. These are directional lights, so pwede mo i-change yung direction ng ilaw. And then may abang ka sa gitna for a more special chandelier if you so desired. Then you have fixed windows, and then 2 windows that have that same screen, net, and then awning windows. And over here you have your closet space, as well as your ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower. And an awning window plus exhaust fan. Right next to that one, we have bedroom number 4. It's pretty much the same type of room, mirror image lang. So again, it's a rectangular room with your windows at the far end. You have your wardrobe here, and then an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, toilet, and shower space. So for this particular nook, pwede mo naman lagyan ng full-length mirror dito or something para talagang kompleto na yung corner mo for like changing into an outfit. And then at the end of the hall, this could be a bedroom if you wanted it to be, but it does not have an ensuite toilet and bath. It is simply, oh, that's so dramatic. Simply a room. So you could turn it into an office, a theater room, or a gym, especially since you do have that view, which we will get to appreciate as I go out onto this balcony. But before I do, because that's where I'll end this video, make sure you check out these really dramatic B-rolls. Okay, so this balcony wraps around this second floor. Not entirely, but you do have a view of that back portion again, that beautiful sunset. And then as you walk back, you have a view of the cityscape. Mount Makiling, by the way, is the mountain that you see here. Okay, so numbers. You have 324 square meters of lot area and 320 square meters of floor area. Pagbigyan nyo na, may motor na dumaan. You have 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and baths, 1 fitness room or gym or office, again, up to you, depending on what you need. You have a powder room, which also has an automated toilet, and you have and you have a swimming pool, of course, that you have a view of right here. Actually, ang laki nun deck. No, it spans like around half of the property. And you have lots of corners like this one. Na sobrang napaka-dramatic kasi ang ganda ng tama ng ilaw, whether it's at sunset or sunrise. Kasi morning sun yung facade. And again, this is in Laguna. So if you or anyone you know is interested in a house like this, make sure you send it to them. But if you want to see it for yourself, send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. If you enjoyed that video and want to see more of our tours, make sure you click here. If you want to see flats and lofts, click here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click right here.